Hello and welcome to our lesson today. Today we are going to look at the computer personnel. Introduction to computer personnel. There are two main classes of computer users. One, we have the users, and two, the practitioners. Users are people who use computers to perform tasks related to their jobs. They do not make major changes to the hardware or software configurations. So we can say that users are people who just use their computers on day-to-day basis to perform tasks that are related to their jobs. Whereas practitioners are IT professionals who are experts in computing. They respond to user requirements and help to specify, to design, to test, to build, to develop, to enhance, to implement, to manage, and also to train the users. Let's look at some of the roles and skills of computer personnel. The first one is computer programmer. We can say that a computer programmer is an individual who writes, tests, and maintains the programs that computers follow when performing specific functions. The main task of a computer programmer is problem solving, and they develop system solutions using the appropriate methodologies and techniques. Second is the system analysts and designers. These are people who are responsible for defining the software requirements and specifications and guiding the program design and development. They may also supervise a software development or maintenance team. Some of the duties of the system analysts and designers include: number one, problem analysis and rectification. Secondly, software requirement analysis. Thirdly, software enhancement, project integration. Fifth, technical integrity. Number six, testing and monitoring. Number seven, documentation. Number eight, interface improvement. Number nine, user requirement analysis. And finally, sales support. Thirdly, we are going to look at the database administrator. A database administrator is involved in the design, implementation, maintenance, and the repair of an organization's database. The role includes developing and designing the database strategy, monitoring and improving database performance and capacity, and planning the future expansion requirements. They may also plan, coordinate, implement security measures to safeguard the database. Some of the roles of a database administrator may include: number one, undertake daily administration, such as the monitoring of the system performance, ensuring successful backups, and developing and implementing disaster recovery plans. Manage data to give users the ability to access, relate, and report information. To develop standards to guide the use and acquisition of software and to protect valuable information. Number four, to modify the existing databases or instruct programmers and analysts on the required changes. Number five, to test programs or databases, correct errors and make necessary modifications. And finally, to train the users and answer questions. Finally, we are going to look at the network administrator. A network administrator is an individual who provides operational support for and the management of computer networks to ensure that they run efficiently. The IT networks can range from the internet, the private networks, to large communications network. A network administrator's roles include: number one, to install, configure, and to maintain PCs, the network equipment, and network operating systems. Secondly, to monitor and to configure networks to optimize performance and resolve the faults. Thirdly, to undertake recovery action in the event of a system failure. Number four, to establish and control system access and security levels. To provide training and support for system software. To implement and coordinate housekeeping procedures such as system backups, setting up the user accounts, and monitoring the file access. To plan and implement maintenance and upgrades for system software and hardware. To maintain peripheral devices connected to the printer, such as the printers and the scanners. Thank you very much for your time. Subscribe to my channel for more educational content.